successfully taken on click the both left side and the right side. It took me about 3 minutes to do both in real work, but most of the time I was doing is to find out how. Again, in the last video I showed that what a tool I need. So this is the tool. It's a $2 like a dinner knife, and then you're going to go like this from the side when it's on click, when it's click. So I can replay basically how it was done. Let's say it's like this. The origin is like this. So you slide in this way, slide in, and just use strength to push until you touch that clip. So you push and lift up, so that is going to pop. Same thing, of course, in the left hand side, same thing. So overall process, it took me like 3 minutes to do the both sides. This is the first step. I'm doing the replacement for this water valve. I try to replace and to see how my washer works. So I find out this is the most important part of the replacement on cover the front panel. Then rest of the things is pretty straightforward. The overall tools, as I see, I just need this. I also need to remind, in order for us to replace the water inlet, we don't need to do too much on the back panel. I did to remove the two, one horizontal piece and one little vertical cover, but that's it. So don't do too much on the back. So the focus on removing the front cover with a tools which you can find by yourself. That's it. So I'm going to continue to repair my water inlet. This is the one. I need to find the part next. Then I'm going to do the full replacement. Right. Thank you very much for watching. I hope my video can help anybody who has facing the same brand or same series. But I found out that the multiple brand name are using the same kind of thing, like a Maytag, like a Kenmore, and some of the LG with like similar. So my model is 600S series. It's like this. 600S. I bought this one in I think 2020. It's about 6 years now. I think a lot of models just like that. So we can do the same thing. I hope this video help you to do the similar work. Thank you very much for watching.